Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making corn and green bean casserole. This recipe is really easy to put together and it's great for the holidays or anytime. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and in a bowl add two 14.5 ounce cans of green beans drained, two 15.25 ounce cans of corn drained, one 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery soup, 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of diced celery, and a half a cup of chopped onion. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Now pour the mixture into an 8x8 baking dish and spread it out evenly, and then set it aside. Then crush 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. And then place them into a bowl. Then pour 1/4 cup of melted butter over the crackers. Then stir together until evenly coated. Now place this on top of your corn and green bean mixture. Now just bake this in the oven for about 30 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and place it onto a wire rack. And here it is. Corn and green bean casserole. This is a great tasting vegetable side dish that's quick and easy to make. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Now place this on top of, there was a gnat flying, wait a minute. He's coming over. I think it came towards you.